Travis here, Win Home Inspection. I'm up in Oregon. I'm not going to say where. I won't call these folks out in case they're watching the video, but they're buying a home. They had opted to just do a pest and dry rot inspection, which means we're just looking at the attic. We're looking for entrance in the roof, and we're going to go in the crawl space. And the decision on this was because it was freshly remodeled. It's a 1960 home, and it looks pretty decent. But I'm already seeing some signs here that they should have got a full home inspection. I'm going to use this more as a warning for folks that just because the contractor's worked on it recently doesn't mean that it's good to go. And not to say anything bad about contractors. A lot of great contractors out there, and even the contractor that worked on this probably did an awesome job, and this just wasn't in the purview of what should be done. So we'll talk about it. So this section of the roof here faces northeast, front of the home, and it was very crunchy just now when I walked on it, meaning that there is some give to the undersheeting. When I looked up in the attic, it looked like the undersheeting had worn. The roofing material looks decent, respectable, probably halfway through its life cycle, but just something like that, I would recommend having a roofer come out and assess the roof to make sure that there's not going to be any underlying problems. And right here, we're at the eave, and it looks like they tried to do a repair for some rot, but if you zoom in on it, you can see the rot at the top of it. They didn't even cut it all away. So it's already compromising the repair and splitting it open. Okay, now back on the ground. We're looking at this fresh paint on here. There's fresh paint over cracked paint. There's fresh paint over just bare wood in some areas, and there's fresh paint over what looks like to be decay underneath the wood. And this paint job is not gonna last. I'd be amazed if it lasts through the season. So something like this here, that bubble's not gonna go away. What's gonna happen is it's gonna get hot enough, it's gonna crack and break, and moisture's gonna get in behind and compromise the wood there on the siding. Right here, you can see just above, there's a fogged window that should have been called out. All right, folks. So that's just a few of the things that I've seen, and I'm not even looking in the house other than what I just went up in the attic. It's so important. I can't tell you enough. You should have your home looked at. If you know what you're looking for, awesome. If you don't, have an inspector come out, whether it be me or somebody who's licensed and bonded and trained and experienced to find these kind of issues. Because what we don't want you to do is to move into this place and incur more expense on top of all the money that you just put down on this. Of course, I'm gonna do my due diligence, and I'm gonna give the information that I have verbally to the buying agent and see what they want to do. But as it stands now, we're just doing the attic and the exterior and the crawl space. So until next time, doing home inspection. Out.